Okay, the last example in this section is a circle with some things labeled. The reason this circle might be important is if they did not draw a circle, they might say something like the radius of a circle is 10. And that might be helpful to you if they don't have the picture drawn. But in this case, it doesn't really matter because we have the picture drawn. And again, this is the Pythagorean theorem unit, so we know we're going to use that. Now, if you remember, coordinates are listed as x first, then y. X tells you which way to go, left or right, and y tells you which way to go, up and down. So having the coordinate x, 8 means from the middle, we don't know how far we went this way. We don't know. But we do know that we went up 8 units. The problem is we're trying to find this mystery number. We need to know what that is. Well, hopefully you can already see the triangle that we've drawn. And it's a 90-degree angle because we always cut these corners at 90 degrees. So I'll redraw that over here. The hypotenuse is 10 because it's across from the 90-degree angle. X we don't know, and we know 8 is the other leg. So normally we go a squared plus b squared equals c squared because it's a right triangle. A we'll call 8 squared plus b we'll say is our x, this x right here. And that's equal to 10 squared. So then what we need to do is simplify a little bit. 8 squared is 64 plus x squared equals 100. Then we'll minus 64 on both sides. Chunga chunga. We have x squared equals 36. Square root both sides, square root. X is 6. So the value or the distance of that is 6. But the problem is because it's a coordinate plane, and we didn't talk about this, I think today in the notes, but we have to be cognizant of direction or aware of direction. Because we went backwards, x would technically be -6 because, again, we went backwards. The coordinate here would be -6, 8. The hard part is finding the x value. The tricky part is keeping that negative. So it would be -6, 8.